Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today, we've got a super exciting update to talk about and install. We're diving into how to get your hands on the OneUI-inspired Clone 16.5.0, major update for Android 8.1 and above. First things first, if you're looking to upgrade, the download link for the app is readily available right down in the video description. Just click that link, grab the file, and you'll be ready to go. Now let's get to the installation part. It's pretty straightforward, but I'll walk you through each step. As I mentioned, the first step is to download the app file from the link in the video description. Once it's downloaded, you'll usually find it in your Downloads folder or your preferred file manager. Since we're installing an app from outside the Google Play Store, you might need to enable Install Unknown Apps or Unknown Sources in your device settings. Now, go back to your Downloads folder or file manager. Tap on the downloaded OneUI-inspired Clone APK file. You'll see a prompt asking if you want to install this application. Review the permissions if you wish, then tap Install. Once installed, you'll see options to either Done or Open. Go ahead and tap Open to launch your brand new OneUI-inspired clone. Now, let's talk about what makes this 16.50 update a major one. The developer has packed in some fantastic new features and improvements that I think you're really going to love. For all you developers and curious minds out there, this app is now open source. That's a huge step. Finally, you can zoom in on your pictures with precision. No more squinting, just pinch to zoom and see all the details. This is a game changer for browse your photos. The new FilmStrip View makes navigating through your gallery incredibly smooth and intuitive. Security is paramount, and the Private Safe feature has been integrated with enhanced security measures to keep your sensitive photos truly private. For those who enjoy a bit of inspiration, the quote generator is now more advanced and database-driven, offering a wider variety of thought-provoking quotes. Of course, with any major update, there can be a few minor kinks. Currently, there's one known bug. The Move Album feature isn't working as intended. The developer is aware of this and is working on a fix, so expect that to be resolved in a future update. And there you have it, the OneUI-inspired Clone 16.50 major update, bringing a ton of new features and improvements to your Android device. Go ahead, download it, try it out, and let me know what you think in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more tech content, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future updates. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.